Hello folks. In the last tutorial we were looking at having speech appearing on screen in time to the words that were laid down on the audio track. Let's see where we left things.
Hello and welcome to Kinematic Typography. Hello and welcome to Kinematic Typography.
Okay, that's not a bad start. And in this tutorial we're going to push it further by having the text animate onto the screen as we hear the speech. So let's get to work. We're going to start with the word hello, which is the one down here in the timeline. I'm going to press P for position, and I'm going to set a keyframe by clicking on the position stopwatch, which means that at this point, and we can see our time here, 0.5 frames, this is where the text is going to end up on the screen. My next step is actually to draw back a bit of the text layer that I'd cut out. I'm actually going to draw it back to 0. And you're going to see why, because what I'm going to do now is take my time marker back to 0. I'm going to click on this piece of text, hold the Shift key to stabilize the motion, and I'm going to drag the text off screen, release my mouse or trackpad, and then let go of the Shift key. And we should have a nice straight motion path. So we're going from 0 here, this is where the piece of text is going to be on screen, forward 5 frames, and on it comes. So as I say hello, it'll animate and appear on screen. Let's repeat that process. Let's just collapse that back up for the and layer. Let's go forward to the point where and appears on screen. Let's click on and, press P to get a position keyframe. Set the stopwatch. And again, maybe just claw back a little bit more of the text layer so as it's got something to animate with. And I'm going to take my time marker back to about there. And on this occasion, I'm going to grab the and layer, press Shift, and I'm going to drag it off to the right. Release the trackpad or the mouse, and then release Shift. And what we've got now, let's just scrub through it. We've got 2 coming on screen. Hello, and, okay, hello, and. I'm going to do one more, just to repeat the process, and then I'll let you continue the rest of them for the rest of the tutorial. So let's just try it with welcome. Let's go to welcome, select the layer, press P to get the position keyframe, set a keyframe, claw back or drag back a little bit more of the text layer, go back in time, and I'm going to click Shift and drag welcome off to the left. Let's just render those back and see what those 3 look like.
Hello and welcome to Kinematic Typography. Hello and welcome to Kinematic Typography.
Okay, not a bad start. I'm not going to work my way through the 2 and kinematic and typography bit because I think you've got the point. I think you can see that quite well from the first 3 text layers.
Hello and welcome to Kinematic Typography. Hello and welcome to Kinematic Typography.
Okay, I'll let you work your way through more layers if you have them because I don't want to labour the point too much. I think you've got the idea. And in the next tutorial we're going to push the animations and the effects and the movements that little bit further. See you in tutorial 3.